Hey all maths enthusiasts there, I'm Guneet and welcome back to my channel Vedic Maths Tricks, the go-to place for all the mathematical things. And if you're new around here, please hit the like, subscribe and share button and join our mathematical journey. Now grab your pencils and notebooks for another topic, that is multiplication using criss-cross method. This method we've already understood in the last video. So this is an extension to the previous method where we are multiplying 3 digits by 2 digits. So now let's understand by taking example. So in this method, we are multiplying 3 digit by 2 digit. So now first thing that we do is we equate the number of digits both the sides. So here we have 3 digit and here we have 2 digit number. So we will add 0 before the 32 to make it 3 digit. Now we will find out the number of partitions. So the total number of digits here are 6. So 6 minus 1 gives you 5. So total number of partitions will be 5. So make 5 partitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll arrange the numbers in a certain way. That is 144 and 032. Now we'll do the calculations. So calculation here is little typical. So please understand it carefully. So now in the first partition, we multiply these two numbers, that is 1 multiplied by 0. And in the last partition, we multiply last two digits, that's 4 multiplied by 2. Now in the second partition, we will diagonally multiply these two numbers and add them. So 1 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 0. In the fourth partition also we'll do the same. We will multiply these two digits diagonally and add them. That will be 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. And in the middle partition, we will multiply first number with the last number. That's 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 3. In the first partition we get 0. In the second partition we get 3 plus 0 gives you 3. In the last partition we get 8. In the fourth partition we get 8 plus 12, that's 20. And in the middle partition we get 1 multiplied by 2, 2. 0 multiplied by 4, 0 plus 12. So we get 14. So now we'll write over here all the answers for the partition 0, 3, 14, 20 and 8. Now leaving the first partition, we need to have single digit in all the partitions. So wherever we have 2 digit number, we will use the chain addition method. So this 2 will go and add up over here and this 1 will go and add up over here. So we get 8, 0, 4 plus 2 gives you 6 and 1 plus 3 gives you 4. So 4608 as the answer. Now let's understand the next question very carefully. So here also we'll add 0 to 14, equate the number of digits. So it will be 623 multiplied by 014. And here also we'll find out the number of partitions. So total number of digits are 6 minus 1 gives you 5. So total number of partitions will be 5. Make the partition. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now write the numbers certain way like this. 6, 2, 3, 0, 1, 4. Now in the first partition we'll multiply 6 by 0. In the last partition we'll multiply 3 by 4. In the second partition we'll multiply the first two digits diagonally and add them. That's 6 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by 2. And in the fourth partition also, we will multiply the last two numbers diagonally and add them. That is 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 1. And now in the third partition, we will multiply 6 by 4. Then add. Then we will multiply 0 by 3 plus we'll multiply 2 by 1. So now here 6 multiplied by 0 we get 0. Now here 6 plus 0 gives you 6. In the last partition we get 12. In the fourth partition 2 multiplied by 4 we get 8 plus 3, so we get 11. And in the third partition we get 24 plus 0 plus 2, so we get 26. Now write all the numbers 0, 6, 26, 11 and 12. Now leaving the first partition, we need single digit in all the other partitions. So we will use chain addition wherever there are 2 digits. So this one will go and add up over here. This one will go and add up over here, and this 2 will go and add up over here. So we get 2. 1 plus 1 gives you 2, 1 plus 6 gives you 7, and 2 plus 6 gives you 8. So 8722 is the answer. I hope you've understood this method well, and if you want more such content, so please share your comments in the suggestion box, and please hit the like, subscribe and share button as well. Thanks for watching.